Hi, welcome back to the short tutorial. In this video, I will teach you how to change your Instagram username. So if you want to change your username from the Instagram, watch this video till the end. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your Instagram mobile application and log into your account. After that, you have to click on the profile icon on the right bottom. Now you are in your profile. Here you will see multiple options, so you have to click on the edit profile from here, and once you will do it, on the second option you will see username. So simply remove your old username and you can write any new username you want. Like I updated my username, and once you will do it, on the right top you will see tick icon, just click on it. As you can see, my username is up to date. So this is the simple way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.